So we're walking along the beach, and this buzzing off in the distance started, and it seemed like there was a ship or something in the air that surely we could see because it was so close. And it carried on for, I don't know, an hour. And then just kind of stopped. And then it suddenly kicked on again. And then off. And we've walked for miles. And there's nothing but darkness. And there's a full moon, so with our eyes we can see pretty well, actually. There it was. Spectacular moon. Hoping it does it one more time. Just can't figure out what it is. Again, what in the heck is that sound? So strange. Moving along.